Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to enable page-wise login on your app. If you want users to access specific app pages only after logging in, then you have to enable page-wise login on those pages. For that, go to the Sign section, click on View All, and search a specific page for which you want to enable page-wise login, or you can select existing pages of your app. Let's suppose if you want to enable page-wise login on About Us page. Go to About Us page and click on Lock icon presented at the rightmost corner of this page. Now your users will have to log in to access About Us page of your app. Repeat the same steps if you want to enable page-wise login on other pages. Just to inform you, it's a one-time process. Once a user logs into your app, then he/she will remain logged in until he/she clicks on Logout button. If you want to change settings or customize your login page, then watch our How to Add Login to a Page video tutorial. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.